Hello and welcome to Tradefive Talents. In today's video, I want to give an update on my portfolio performance for April 2022. So here in the SPYs chart, these are monthly candlesticks. January is red, February was red, March was green. That was last month, and that's when my portfolio also finally turned green. Then we come into April, which you can see here, this red candle. It really did not have hardly a bottom wick. It just went straight down pretty much all month. It tried to make a little rally, but not much. And you can see May is not faring too much better, but we'll get into that next month, and hopefully it won't end red. But in any case, April was very bad for the SPY. Let's look at the Dow. Similar story, January, February, March was green, and then you've got this red candle for the month of April. And then you can imagine the Qs probably were worse, and indeed they were. You can see how deep red that candle has gone. So what did that mean for my trading portfolio using the wheel strategy and selling premium? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at how we did. All right, here's my trading dashboard, and remember, this trade log is free. It's a Google Sheet. You can download it using the link in the description. I've got several videos explaining how it works, but if you want to use it, then go ahead and click on the link. When the Google Sheet opens, click on File, then click on Make a Copy, so then you can save it in your Google Drive, and then you can edit it. You don't need to request access, share access at all, because you can just make a copy and edit it on your own. So here we are, January, February is red, March I finally turned green, and then you can see in April I am also green, but compared to the previous or compared to the beginning months, it doesn't look like I made that much. However, I actually did hit my goal, 6.03%, and so my total profit was $1,744.60, and this is realized profit. That got split into two different sections: my personal profit, which was $1,078.99, and then $665.61 for the Tesla Model 3 payments that I am using my trading account, or a portion of my trading account, to make those monthly payments. So I did hit my goal, 6.03%. But my portfolio value is just taking a beating this past year. So I'm still collecting all this premium from selling options, but the holdings that I have in stocks, they're just plummeting like the rest of the market. So I hope that we're going to see a turnaround soon, but in the meantime, I'm just going to keep on selling my options. So let's look at the trade log and see how the month of April, or what we did in the month of April. So we'll go over here and just look at the month of April. All right, here are the trades for the month of April. There were 43 trades made, and you can see most of them are green because I'm selling premiums. You could see a lot of short calls, and that's because I am actually holding so many shares. The only thing I can do is sell short calls pretty much. But then towards the end of the month, I started working on some other strategies to use in conjunction with the wheel. So that's why you see different trade types here. But let's take a look at how those did. Yeah, so you can see those didn't fare too well over here. But overall, there was a win for the month of April. Again, $1,744.60, 43 trades. Let's go over to my Tradefive app, and I'll show you the top 5 tickers. All right, so here we are in the Tradefive app, and I'm looking at my personal account and then selecting the month of April. Now, what this app is, it's a mobile app used to track your options trades. If you are a mobile trader, and if you don't use a trade log of any sort, but you still want to keep track of your options on your phone, then that's what this app is. I created this app. There's a link down below, and there are 2 memberships for it. One is the $5 basic app membership, and that includes everything that you see here except for the cost basis. But then I also have a premium app membership, which is $7 a month. That includes the cost basis, and it auto calculates your cost basis as you sell covered calls on your stock holdings. So there's a link down below. You can check it out, 30-day free trial. In any case, month of April, you can see 1744.60. I hit my goal of 6.03%. And here are my top 5 tickers: AMC, SST, NKLA, MARA, and ATER. My bottom 5, this is a new feature added, and you can see those are the ones that had the most losses, SOFI and the Qs. All right, so the trade types, really I only had 3 that made me any money: short calls, stock, and then a long put, which was only $1. The bottom 5 trade types are the long calls, call debit spreads, short puts. So I didn't trade a huge variety of trade types, which again, I usually don't because I'm primarily trading the wheel, but you can see that several of the things that I've been trying out, they haven't worked out that well, or at least with the version that I'm trading them. So I'll keep you updated on any of those option strategies and how we can use them in conjunction with the wheel, or different strategies we can use as we're holding these stocks in a red market. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can catch me on Twitter at Tradefive. Also, if you want to keep up to date with my trading portfolio with the trade log or with the Tradefive app, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.